On these here, I think it always helps to draw a picture. We're going to find the ellipses. It helps me tell me a lot. So here's what I'm going to kind of do. I'm going to put some dots at some spots. I know the center is 0, 0. I have vertices out here at 8. Wait a minute, sorry. That's 8 would be up here. Down here, positive 8, negative 8. And I also have foci at right here, 0, 4. There would be my foci. Ooh, that's real important. I know this one is a vertical one, so I know this. I know then that my A will be underneath the Y, okay, because they always equal 1. So here's what I know. The distance from the center out here, from here to here, that's a distance of 8. So I know A equals 8. Okay? C is the distance from our center to our foci. Well, from there to there, it's 4. So on an ellipse, A is always the largest. I know that A squared is equal to the B squared plus the C squared. So therefore, 8 squared equals B squared plus the 4 squared. So 64 equals B squared plus 16 minus 16 from side. So 48 is equal to B squared. Now, y'all, if I wanted to, I could say that B is square root that, which then is like 16 times 3, or 4 square roots of 3, but I really don't need this particular information. All I really need is just the 48, because I know the center is where? 0, 0. So my HK, there's no H or K, so I know it's going to be an X squared over the B squared, and B squared is just what? 48. Plus Y squared over the A squared. Well, A squared we know is 64, and it equals 1. There's my standard equation for this particular one right here. Whoa, that was it. That was it. So let's come over here to this particular problem. I think it helps to draw little pictures. Kind of a graph right here. So we have foci at 0, 0 and 0, 8 up here. Those are the foci. Maybe I should make my graph a little bit lower here for some purposes. We'll kind of do it like right here. All right, so I can kind of, because here's what we know. Foci are at 0, 0 and 0, 8. So I know this, the center is halfway between them. There's the center, all right? So for the center to be there, it's the midpoint. Well, you can take the numbers and add them together. You know, technically divided by 2 is your x. 0 plus 8 divided by 2. But to me, I kind of can look at that and tell, you know, it's going to be 0. That one, that's 8 over 2, which is 4. This point here is 0, 4. The reason that's important is this here. I know this. That means the distance of my C from here to here is 4. So C is equal to 4. The major axis has a length of 16. Well, that's 2A. So 2A is 16 divided by 2. That means A equals 4. So then I know the center is also at the point 0, 4. That's real important. Need that in a second. 0, 4. So to find B squared, remember, like we kind of did right over here. The A squared is equal to the B squared plus the C squared. So basically, oh, A's not, you're going to add 2, it's 8. Math teacher that can't do math. 2A divided side by 2. I was looking at my answer. A is 8. So 8 squared will equal the B squared plus the C squared, which is 4. So I have 64 equals B squared plus 16. Oh, same thing I had a while ago. B squared is basically going to be 48, which if you want to do the square root, but I don't need to. So here's my formula. This particular time, it will be, now I know this one has a major axis, is still vertical, so I know the A will be underneath the Y's. So this will be, oops, not equals, plus the y minus the k squared over the a squared equals 1. So here's what I know to write the answer. Your final answer will be the following for this one. X minus h. Notice h is 0 and k is 4. So that means I will have x squared over the b squared, which is 48, plus, now the y inside liar, minus 4 squared over the a value of 64, all equals 1. There I just wrote the formula for the ellipse.